Yes.
Could be Wednesday then.
Got to bring the engine in.
No, you're all right, Ruth.
Yeah, film it.
We're just going around in this. Look at this. That race.
Message now to caravan.
You right on there?
Lovely, thank you. I'm filming it all.
Picture of the engine.
Yeah, thank you. Of course, she doesn't struggle with the weight at all, does she?
No. Did you see the bigger engines in here, the half size?
Yeah, lovely.
Well, one of these engines pulled 2 of those today.
Good grief.
Yeah. And they're about 3 tonne each. So
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
There's another one. Mine's all right.
It's not even looking.
Daddy's got something to say to you. I want you to go in that one.
we're in again. Alright.
Shall we, if that's alright with you? Go around again, boys. Shall we go again?
Yeah. It might tip over.
It won't tip over, darling. It's really safe.
If it tip over, it's fell that way, so you get a soft cushion. I knew it goes fast here.
Yeah.
That one, that one has 1, 2, 3, 4.
4 wheels.
4 wheels.